Let's add an image to the page. We've got some code on this page at the moment that's got a JavaScript button, which when you click on it displays a dialog box with a message. What we're going to do now is we're going to add an image to the page, and we need to rewrite the code so that instead of someone clicking on the button and it displays a message, what we want it to do is when they click on the button we want to hide this image. Now that means we're going to have to interact with the image, and whenever we want to interact with something using jQuery or just JavaScript in general, we need to have some way of being able to find it on the page. So what we'll do is we'll give that image an ID, and we'll just call it toys image. Now in the code at the top we've currently got some code that's got an event handler on the button that just displays the alert box, and instead of that what we'll do is we'll go and hide the image. Now we need to find the image, so we'll use an ID selector by saying hash toys image. Now remember, hash something means find the element that's got this ID. It's just a CSS selector. Now once we've found the image, it's not quite the raw HTML image that you'd normally use in JavaScript. It's an enhanced jQuery version of the object. And what jQuery has done is given it a lot of extra methods, and one of these extra methods is called hide. We've got some code that says once the whole of the HTML in the page is loaded, go and find the button with the ID of click me. When you find that button, set an event handler, which just means set a piece of JavaScript code when someone clicks on the button, and that event handler will go and find the toys image on the page and then call its hide method. So let's go back to the browser and refresh the page, and now when we click, the image disappears.